If you are looking for the best wall mount range hood, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Broan-NuTone Convertible Range Hood. For a range hood on a budget, the Broan F403011 2-speed convertible range hood is a solid choice. The unit offers a variety of installation options and efficient operation that will meet basic kitchen needs. The F403011 offers convertible installation options, meaning it can be installed to vent horizontally or vertically or can be installed to operate without ductwork. It offers a straightforward toggle switch to operate the fan at low or high speeds. It produces max CFM of 160 or 190, depending on installation option. Number 2. Cosmo Under Cabinet Range Hood. The modern-looking Cosmo QS75 Under Cabinet Range Hood will be a welcome addition to any kitchen, and it has impressive features like a digital control panel and remote control that make it a breeze to use. The 900 CFM fan can draw out smoke and heat and food odors with ease. There are 3 speeds and 2 motors to extract the air, while a permanent, easy-to-clean filter takes care of grease and particles. When it's time to clean the filter, you can throw it in the dishwasher. LED lights give you extra lighting for the stovetop while you cook, or you can use it as a kitchen nightlight. Number 3. Broan-NuTone 413023. Yeep, here is another Broan range hood for you with the fantastic construction quality and classy appearances. The color is dark black that provides a posh atmosphere to any kitchen decor. The Broan 413023 range hood has a polymer blade installed. Cleaning is hassle-free and the filtration system is great as well. Lots of users declare it as one of the best ductless range hoods for the money. It is ADA compliant and features a separate light switch to bring up an aesthetic look to your kitchen. Number 4. Kitchen Bath Collection Wall Mounted Range Hood. If you're looking for a wall-mounted kitchen range hood that will deliver ample power, high-end looks, and convertible venting options, look no further than this model by Kitchen Bath Collection. The sleek range hood delivers air speeds up to approximately 400 CFM and has bright LED lighting to illuminate your cooking range. The 3-speed fan and lighting function is controlled by a digital touchscreen. This range is also convertible. Number 5. Hauslane Chef Series Under Cabinet Range Hood. If your main mission is to find a range hood that will keep your kitchen clean and grease at bay, you'll want to find a range hood equipped with an auto-cleaning function. This 30 inches range hood from Hauslane is a unit that features a self-cleaning function and a wide range of fan speeds to suit your cooking needs. The C400 boasts a quick and efficient 38-second auto-clean program that removes hidden grease and keeps the internal fan blades clean. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.